In today's video, we're going to see what we can do about installing Windows 10 with some level of privacy. Disclaimer, or let's just be honest, if you're using Microsoft Windows, you probably are not going to have guaranteed complete privacy on your computer. Pretty soon Windows 10 Home, we're going to agree to the license terms. For our purposes, we're not going to do an upgrade. We're going to go ahead and let it set for this. You don't have to create your partitions or anything. Windows does it for you. Pick whatever region you're in. Yes, US keyboard would be fine for us. There again, pick your own. We're not going to do a second keyboard. We're going to say I don't have internet. So I'm going to say continue with limited setup. This is the second thing we're going to change. Whatever your interest is, pick one of the characters out of it and use that as a name. You should have a password. This is the third thing we're going to do. We're going to turn off, say no to every one of these questions. I don't want it finding my device, that means it's tracking you. Just turn them all off. We're going to say accept. Does Cortana help you get things done? No. Press the start button, go to settings, time and language, region, additional date, time, and regional settings, internet time. We're going to change the settings and we're going to switch time.windows.com to time.nist.gov. The other thing that automatically pops up is get started. So we're going to do the get started with Microsoft Edge. So anyway, so we're going to complete setup. And there again, we're not going to sign in. We're going to choose continue without signing in. That's where we're going to leave this video. This is the base install. Some level of privacy.